How to change music length on Facebook story. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and then sign into your account. Once you are signed in, it will land you on this interface. Click on this create story at the very top. Select any of the video that you want to add. Let's say I want to add this video for now. At the bottom, search for the song, or you can select the song from here. Let's say I want to add this song for now. Click on the song. Once the song has been added, tap on this icon over here. Well, for the video, the music will be according to the length of the video. If the video is of 1 minute, then the music will also be set to 1 minute. But let's say if you want to upload a photo, select any of the picture from here. Tap on the music icon at the top right. Select any of the song that you want to. Now simply tap on the lyrics. In this case, you will be able to change the duration of the music, depending upon when and how much you would like to play the length of the music. Once you have selected the length of the music, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now you can simply tap on Share at the bottom right corner, and then your story will be uploaded successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the length of the music on Facebook story. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.